We are continuing on into earnings season this week. Specifically for me, I have two very important names that I focus on, which is the first one, Palantir, which they are reporting earnings Monday evening after the market close, and then Robinhood, which is reporting Wednesday evening after the market close. So I'm looking ahead here. The current expected move on Palantir is about 10.5%. So we don't know where the market is actually going to close here tomorrow, but educated guess, let's just say it's around here. And if we go up 10.5% to here, we're looking at around 221. And then also we can go from the downside from, let's just go again from this close and down at 10.5%. So it gives us a range of 221 to 180-ish. So somewhere within here. So if we stay within those realms, either if it gaps up, I certainly would not be chasing it personally. You might be able to play it intraday for a day trade. However, if I don't do that, I wait 3 days kind of for the dust to settle, and then wherever, if it wants to do a gap fill or if it wants to time or price correct to a shorter term moving average, we could always look for that. However, it just broke out to new all-time highs. If we look on the weekly, we had an all-time high close. And so it looks pretty decent overall. Earnings where, ideally, if you are long, you're looking to continue to play this to the long side. Now, if it gaps down, you can see it would be gapping down into this consolidation area that has been doing nothing for, let's start it here and go to the breakout for about 28 trading days. So for a few weeks, right? And so if it gaps down into there, I would be looking for potential support play around 170. So we shall actually see what happens. But that is a short-term plan for Palantir. And then obviously, however the market actually plays out, we have to maneuver our plans to adjust to what is in reality play-wise. All right, moving on to Robinhood. The expected move is about 10.2%. So if we just go from the close here today and go up 10, let's just go 10%. We are looking at a breakout to all-time highs. That'd be nice if it held it, right? And then if we go down 10%, again, just using this as a close, this is what I would do for Palantir Monday after close, or actually rather closely after close tomorrow, and then rather closely after close on Wednesday for Robinhood here. So this gives us a range of 160-ish to 130-ish. So we have that range to play from. If it gaps up, I would not mind a breakout and then a retest to these highs that we could potentially risk against. So if it gaps up, maybe you can, if it wants to sell off during the day, you can take a day trade. However, per usual, again, I don't touch it until 3 days afterwards. If this thing gaps down, you can see it would be gapping down into prior support or just kind of prior chop zone, and then maybe it just needs more time. However, both of these names have been very strong in general, so I am biased long here. It's just the timing and the appropriateness of execution to the long side. Hopefully this prep helps you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share your own ideas, and trade safe. Prepare well. Later.